What I love about React.js is this whole idea of reusability, where you can create a component, you can export it, and then you can import that component into other files. React is great for building what they call single page applications. Remember, React is not a framework, it's a JavaScript library. And even in 2025, you should still be learning it. There's still a huge demand for React developers. You need to learn React, and obviously the fundamentals, HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and Python, because of the popularity of AI and how big AI is right now. But React is still a great JavaScript library to learn, and you still need to learn and master JavaScript. Understanding how to manipulate the DOM is still extremely important. DOM manipulation is still important. You're not going to be manipulating the DOM as much with React. And the one thing I like about React is usually there's less boilerplate code when you're building out your user interfaces with React compared to JavaScript. But you should still learn JavaScript, and there's still a huge demand for JavaScript developers. But yes, I love React. A lot of people say, oh, they call them React script kiddies. You're a script kiddie. You don't know how to program just because you've learned React. React? Yeah, it's easy. Some of the React concepts are easy, but it gets complicated. I've seen some code where I'm like, yeah. And I think I'm pretty good with React and building user interfaces with React. React can get very, very complicated, especially like higher order components, or what they call hawks, higher order components. The stuff gets complicated, trust me. Learn React. You're not a script kiddie if you just know React. There's still a huge demand for React developers. Huge demand for React developers. And of course, you got to bang out the DSA, or what they call data structures and algorithms, every single day. Just spend 30 minutes to an hour getting down data structures and algorithms. That's going to be extremely important if you want to get a job. If you want to work for yourself, then just learn how to build applications. And you got to learn sales and negotiation, and you got to know how to hire. So there's a lot that goes into launching a startup. But if you want to work for a big company, big tech company, you got to learn your data structures, and you got to learn your algorithms, systems design, and learn the basics. But yeah, React is still, I'm going off on a tangent, but React is still, you should still learn React in 2025. This is Tom Ratcliffe. Let me know your thoughts about React.js. Love it, hate it. What are your thoughts? I'll talk to you later.